Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, Mr. Amrendu Prakash assumes additional charge of Director in charge of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant. And RSP Executive awarded with Prakriti Bandhu Samman. Now, the news in detail. Mr. Amrendu Prakash, Director in charge SAIL, Bokaro Steel Plant, has assumed the additional charge of Director in charge of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, on 1st August 2021. It is noteworthy that Mr. Amrendu Prakash has been the Director in charge of BSL since 28 September 2020. Mr. Prakash, a B.Tech in Metallurgy from BIT Sindri, Ranchi University, is an accomplished technocrat and possesses over 28 years of experience, comprising 24 years in plant operations at BSL and 4 years at Chairman's Office in SAIL. He began his career at SAIL in the year 1991 with posting in rolling mills. During the long stint of 20 years in BSL, he mastered the art of steel rolling and finishing. He played a crucial role in timely completion of upgradation of hot strip mill in 1997 and 2007, implementation of ERP and Six Sigma certification in the HSM, and was the driving force behind setting up of Technology Hub to serve as a think tank for research in hot rolling, coordinating patenting and copyright activities. Under his able leadership, patent on technical design of reheating furnaces was successfully filed. As a key member of the production and sales planning team, he was instrumental in strategizing the overall production and manufacturing of quality products mix for maximization of revenue. He pioneered the business analytics division for a product mix optimization, identify investment needs, and proactive analysis of business information to customize production as per market needs. A widely traveled technocrat across the globe to countries like Germany, France, Italy, South Korea, which among others has done an immense value addition to his vast knowledge and experience in the field of steel manufacturing technology. During his short stint in Chairman's Office, he orchestrated the formulation and development of key strategies at the apex level and their effective implementation. He had been involved in driving business transformation and financial turnaround of SAIL, which resulted in bringing back the company from a streak of 3 years of losses starting from financial year 16 into profit in financial year 19. He led the team in management business simulations competition and won the national championship, besides winning the Asian Championship to participate in the global management contest representing India. In the year 1999, he was conferred upon by SAIL the prestigious Jawahar Award for Best Young Manager for his leadership qualities. Dr. Avijit Biswas, DGM Horticulture and in charge Zoo Development Program of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, has been awarded with Prakriti Bandhu Samman. The award is given by Forest and Environment Department of Government of Odisha. The award comprises Rs 10,000 cash award and a citation from the DFO Sundargarh. The award comes as a recognition for his noteworthy contributions in the field of conservation of nature and environment protection. It is worth mentioning here that the veterinarian has a notable record of dedicated service spanning more than 25 years at Zoological Garden, Alipore, West Bengal, and Indira Gandhi Park Zoo, Rourkela. Notably, Dr. Biswas, who started his career in 1989 from Zoological Garden, Alipore, has great success stories of treating the animals in the zoo. The wildlife enthusiast joined Indira Gandhi Park Zoo, Rourkela in 2006 to take care of the species as the in charge of the zoo. His persistent efforts in breeding of the native species through conservation breeding resulted in increasing the population and saving precious wildlife. He has been instrumental in rescuing as well as successful treatment of number of critically injured animals with serious ailments. Dr. Biswas was felicitated by Mr. Deepak Chatraj, former CEO, RSP, in a function organized at his office for his commendable achievement. With this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.